In this video, I'm going to show you an epic ClickBank strategy that I've recently started. It's been going amazing for me over the last few days, and today I even made over $500 in commissions into my ClickBank account. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the strategy and I'm going to show you proof as well, so you do not want to miss it. Okay, so I'm going to dive straight in onto my computer and show you some results. So this is ClickBank. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's basically a massive marketplace with lots of different products, like digital products and some physical products on there as well. And basically you can sign up to it as an affiliate, promote those products and earn commissions. And that's how I've been making my money over the last few days. So I'm just going to log into my account here live and show you some results, and then I'll walk you through the strategy. So there you go, boom. So today, Thursday, the 27th February, I'll just show you the date up here, 27th February, $587 in commissions into my ClickBank account. I've been doing this strategy over the last few days. Yesterday was a bit of a smaller day, only made $42, and the day before that, $123.60. I'll just refresh this page so you know it's legit. And there, as you can see. So as you can see, the strategy is working perfectly. And the exciting thing is, I've only just started doing this and testing things out. So the first day I made $120. Yesterday was a bit quieter, and then today over $500. And I'm just gonna continue to upscale this now because the strategy is almost limitless. The traffic source that I'm using is almost an endless supply of people that want to purchase ClickBank products. And that's why it works so well. So how am I doing it? You're probably wondering. The traffic source that I'm using is something called native adverts. You might have heard of them. I'll show you them now on my computer, what they are, and then I'll show you kind of the strategy of how I'm getting the conversions and things like that. So if you don't know, a native ad is basically adverts which appear a lot of the time on news websites or blogs. And they work really, really well because they don't really look like adverts. So I'll just show you some examples here. So this is just a news website from the UK, the Mirror newspaper. And if you scroll down here, you can see adverts on the side here. They're not native adverts because they look like adverts. And we don't want to mess around with them because people ignore them anyway and they're not that effective. But if you scroll down to the bottom of the news story, the adverts at the bottom usually are native adverts. So this is a native advert. This is a native advert. This is all these here are native adverts. And the great thing about them is they don't look like adverts. They kind of blend in to the actual news stories. So as you can see here, this is a native ad, this is, and then this is a news story. So users, when they're looking at these newspaper websites, if you get the advert right and it blends in, then it can work super, super effectively. And that's why it works great. Another reason why native adverts are super effective with affiliate marketing and offers that are on ClickBank is because they're a lot less strict when you compare them to like Google or Facebook. So they're cheap, but they're also less strict as well. So a lot of the offers that you get on ClickBank, they're kind of like sometimes money-making offers, biz op offers, or neutral, like health and things like that. And Facebook and Google clamping down on those offers. They don't like them types of things on their websites. Whereas these news websites, which get millions and millions of visitors every single day, they're a lot more lenient. And there's so many different ad networks out there which have got native ads on lots of different websites and MSN and Lad Bible and all of these. You can put adverts on these websites. And the great thing is these brands like the Mirror and the Guardian and Lad Bible and MSN, they're trusted brands. So if you put an advert onto that trusted brand, the audience that clicks on your advert has usually built up a little bit of trust already because you're almost part of that newspaper. So if you set your advert and your sales funnel up correctly, which I'm going to touch on and show you how to get started in this video, it can be super, super effective. If this is exciting you and you want to dive in and you're like, I want to learn how to do native ads, I'm actually going to walk you through how to start a campaign now and how to tackle it and where to start. But if you do want to learn more about it, I highly recommend you check out Colin Dice. He's the guy that I've been learning it from. He's got a masterclass going on at the moment. It's a long webinar where he kind of teaches you some of the stuff which I'm going to teach you in this video. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and he goes into a bit more detail about where to get started. So as I said, I'm going to walk you through now starting and where to get started. But if you do want to go into a bit more deeper and learn more about native ads and ClickBank, then just click on his link in the description below and check out that masterclass because I learned a lot from it. So anyway, if you're starting out, the best thing to do is not to dive in at the deep end and just pick a random ClickBank offer and then find an ad network, which I'll show you where you find the ad networks in a minute, and just hope for the best. It's not like that. The best place to start is to see what's working first. So the way to do that is by spying on what other people are doing. This is a well-known thing, which a lot of people do. But what you don't want to do is don't just copy other people's adverts and other people's funnels. What you want to do is go and spy, have a look what other people are doing, maybe it might give you the idea of the product they're promoting, and then also the kind of images that are working well and the kind of funnels, and try and improve on that so you can make it even better. But a good place to start is just see what other people are doing. So what you can do is just go to news websites like this. This is what I was doing when I first started, and just have a look what these native ads lead to. So you click on one and you go, oh, this is a Taboola one. So now you know the ad network that they're running, and this leads through to a funeral plan. And then click on this and you can kind of hopefully find what they're promoting. And then you could go to Max Bounty or to ClickBank and see whether there's any products which kind of match this. Is there any funeral plans and things like that? This is probably more of a CPA offer where they're looking for leads. So that's what you do. Just go through these native ads and just see where they lead. Now the thing about this, it can take a long time to go through all of these, and you don't really know if this is successful and if this is not successful. So what I use is a spy tool called Adplexity. And this is it. It is expensive. I think it's like $200 per month, but if you can afford it, then definitely grab it, because it just cuts that spying learning curve in half, because you can basically just come to this and you can go, I want to look at the offers which have been running the longest, because if an advert's been running a long time, then it's probably profitable. And then you can go, I want adverts that have been running for longer than 14 days, so 2 weeks in the last month. So these are current adverts that have been running for more than 2 weeks. And then you can scroll down here and you can go, I want to choose, you can choose the country and all that, or you could choose the actual ad networks here. And then, but what you could select if you want to do ClickBank, which is what I did, is click on the ClickBank one. And then it brings up all of the people that are running native ads to ClickBank offers that are basically successful. So as you can see here, there's lots of these, and these are native adverts which will appear on those news websites. And you can actually delve into these, and it tells you the websites they're appearing on, and it shows you the images. So this is about solar panels, which is a ClickBank offer. This one's diabetes, and they have different ones like weight loss ones and things like that. So what you can do from this is, you know that there's a diabetes offer on ClickBank, because there is. You could actually go through that funnel and see where it leads to. But that leads through to a diabetes offer on ClickBank, and you can actually see what the landing page looks like. So I'll just click on one here. And you can see the websites that it's been running on here, and you can see the ad network. So this is Rev Content, which is one of the networks. So you can go to the Rev Content and sign up to that. I'll show you another way where you can sign up to native ad networks in a second, sign up to a lot of them at once. But what you can see here, you can see lots of information. So you can actually see the landing page that's been running for 69 days. So if someone's running a landing page for 69 days, it's probably profitable. And then this is the landing page. So what you could do then is you can rip this landing page, or you could rebuild something similar to this, which is basically a headline about blood sugar with a picture of a random picture. And then you click with a little button. And then when they click that button, that will lead through to a ClickBank offer called Diabetes Freedom. So just from this few minutes of spying, we've kind of come to the conclusion that a diabetes offer on ClickBank is doing well. We can see that like close-up weird images of eggs seems to be doing quite well. And we know that a landing page, which is quite a basic one with a headline, is doing quite well. So what I do then is go, right, well, this is doing quite well, but I don't copy these images. I go to Google and type in weird egg. And then I go and find a weird egg image, and then I go, okay, I might try that. And then you get some images. And then we know that this type of landing page works quite well. So we could maybe go and find some different types of landing pages by clicking on more and seeing what else is working well to give us some inspiration for our landing pages. So from that, you can start to build out a campaign of images and a type of landing page and the offer that you're ready to run traffic to. So now you might be thinking, well, where do I get the traffic from? How do I get started with that? Probably the best place to start is like a network like Volume DSP, which is what I'm currently running my adverts on. And Volume DSP is basically like an umbrella platform that allows you to run adverts to lots of different native ad networks at once. So rather than signing up to all of them individually and getting approved for them all individually, you can actually just come here and sign up once, and then you can actually run adverts to all of these. And it's got all the main ad networks, native ad networks out there, from Taboola, Outbrain, MGID. You can even run WordPress to WordPress blogs, all of these, and you can do that from inside. And basically, once you create an account, you'll see it's fairly straightforward. You obviously just need to put in your creatives, and then you need to put in your landing page and then the offer, and then start to run traffic towards that. But don't expect it to be super profitable straight away, because that's not how it works. When you're running this type of campaign, especially native ads, but any kind of paid traffic, you need to be prepared to test, and optimize and see what works and what doesn't work. So that's why you would get a few different images, get a handful of images, and you'd get a handful of headlines, and you would split test them against each other to see which one of those is performing the best and getting the most clicks. And then you would split test landing pages and see which one of the landing pages actually gets more clicks going through to the offer. And then you might even split test the offers and see there's actually two diabetes offers on ClickBank, and you can run tests on them and see which one gets the most sales, and then you get rid of the other ones and start to upscale. But then there's so many more things on top of that, like you can start to tweak things based on the browser that the person opted in, and you could say that actually I don't want to target this certain browser or this certain location because it's not performing as well, and you start to optimize. So as you can see, native ads is for serious people, and it's for people that have got money to invest and they're prepared to take this seriously. So this isn't a strategy where you're just going to post random stuff under people's YouTube videos. If you want to take affiliate marketing seriously and you want a traffic source that allows you to post like offers on ClickBank and at scale that you can keep rinsing, then native ads is for you. So yeah, that's why I thought I'd share this video, because that's what I'm starting to spend a lot of my time now is getting into native ads and starting to upscale. So I thought I'd share it with you on this video. As I said, I'm going to leave Colin's masterclass link in the description so you can check that out if you want to learn more about this. And also, if you've got any questions or anything, ask me in the comments below. Also, if you register for Colin's masterclass, I'll give you a copy of my super cheap traffic secrets training course for free as well, just for registering for his masterclass in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this new traffic source and this new strategy that I'm starting to go into. If you did like it, let me know, hit the like button, let me know in the comments, because I'm going to start doing more videos about this going forward, because this is going to be one of my main focuses at the moment, because I can see so much potential in it going forward to make some big money. Some people I've seen are making 30k days just from native ads, and I want a piece of that. So yeah, let's go for it. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. If you've not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.